For a recent video software, I needed to resize windows to a particular size for it to fit the resolution and really make beautiful videos, out of which I'll be launching shortly. Now, resizing windows is pretty difficult. You've got apps in the market, but I didn't quite like them, and that's where I chose this option, which really works really well. So here's the blog post. I'll put it in the blog. This basically creates a shortcut. Where's the shortcut? Yeah, a shortcut called for screen sharing, for resizing a window for screen share. Just to show you a sample first. So here I just pull up my raycast, type window, and there you go. I pull up my raycast, type window, and there you go. Pull up my raycast, type window, and it's everything set to exact dimensions of 1280 pixels and 720 pixels, and that's configured in my uh, in this shortcut here. And as you can see, this is configured to 1280 to 720, which is kind of what I want to have for my videos.